We need you back.
I'm done hurting people. Starting tomorrow.
David Lopez is one of America's favorite funny video creators. With almost 1 million subscribers on YouTube, David has brought us such lovable characters as Juan, Grandpa, and Misfit Thugs. And while you may never be as funny as David Lopez, there is so much we can learn from his videos about comedy. Comedy helps to improve your watch time with your audience and helps to increase the shareability of your videos as well. So today we're gonna reverse engineer some of David's funniest vids to help you become more funny. That's all coming up on Owen Video.
Owen Video!
Welcome to the channel, senor. Please subscribe. Whether you're making videos for business or simply growing a family vlog, adding elements of humor and comedy can go a long way in helping your channel to grow. Various academic studies have shown that adding comedy helps us to cope with difficult topics. And comedy creates a shared bond between the creator and the audience. So let's take a look at David Lopez's top 5 tips for being funny, starting with tip number 1. Can you guess it? Let's take a look.
Hey! Where's Starbucks?
Down the street?
Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces pass, and I'm homebound.
Okay, welcome to the Juan and Jesus show. Today we're going to teach you how to build a chair.
Willing to be different.
You really need to finish your vegetables.
Why?
So you can get big and strong.
You get big and strong.
You like that?
Tip number 1, pattern interrupts. A pattern interrupt is a helpful way to change a person's behavior or strategy. Now, we all have behavior patterns that are habit sequences or part of our mental pathways. Oftentimes when watching videos, the viewer will get familiar with the pattern and they'll start to fade out a little bit. That's when you need to introduce a pattern interrupt, boom, to change the pattern and shock the viewer back into paying attention. David uses a lot of pattern interrupts to surprise the audience, but in your videos, you could use pattern interrupts to show a little bit more of your personality through an otherwise boring topic. Take, for example, Don Reedy, who's a realtor and a client who used a puppet in one of his videos to help discuss the topic of real estate investing. Great job, Don. Let's see what else David has to say.
What if I can't touch it? Just put your glove up and I'll do the rest. Okay, you ready?
Please catch it.
Welcome to the Juan and Jesus show. Today we're gonna teach you how to decorate for Christmas. Jesus, you're gonna break the Christmas lights, man!
Eric, guys, we need to take him to the hospital.
That was a close one.
I mean, oh, help! This vato's crazy! Oh!
I don't have reflexes.
Really?
See?
Oh, snap! Sorry!
Tip 2, use physical humor. Now, you might think that I'm asking you to get all crazy and start to make people laugh by flailing your body around. I am not suggesting that, although it would be pretty hilarious. What I want you to think about is how to use your hands, your eyeballs, and your facial expressions to tell the story of the emotion that you're trying to communicate. It's easy to stand stiff as a board and read off a bunch of facts to the camera, but that's really gonna bore your audience. I don't know what to do with my hands. Instead, use your hands like a character in the story to help move the story forward or to one way or the other. Use your eyes to help communicate how sad something might be or how joyful it might be. And facial expressions can go a long way in making your videos more engaging. And by all means, if you're feeling up to it, jump or laugh or faint if you think it'll help your videos stand out when everyone else in your industry is being so stiff and boring. Just like I did in this video I did with TubeBuddy at Clamor 2018.
Hello everyone, we are live with Owen Video is Owen Video
At Clamor 18.
Owen Video.
Now, I wasn't really wasted. That wasn't even my beer, but I wanted a strong opening to bring replay viewers into the video. I came up with the idea on the spot, and it was one of our most engaged live streams. Okay, David, what else you got?
What are you two losers doing here? I thought we kicked you out already.
This is a public park.
For public peoples.
Yeah, we can be here, okay?
So? You guys want some beef stew?
Ja.
That sounds delicious.
I'm hungry.
Ew.
My friends are gonna be here any second. You know, you could not be rude. They're on their way right now.
Cruising down the street on my lawnmower. Work, 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 work. They see me doing work, 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 work. They see me scooping dirt, 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 dirt. Tapa, 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 patillo on my taco.
Tip number 3, do a parody of a movie or a song or even someone who's well known in your industry. Parodies are a surefire way of getting a laugh because it creates a common point of connection with your audience. Even if your parody is not all that funny, the audience knows what it is you're parodying. Parodying? Paraducing? Paratropiperizing. Whatever it's called, it's also important to note that parodies are protected under the fair use doctrine, which means that you can use copyrighted movies, clips, or songs when you're producing a parody. It's true. You can even ask your attorney, which I would highly suggest you doing because I would at no time ever replace this YouTube video for actual legal advice. You can easily find a well-known song and make up your own words. Just find the karaoke version of the song on YouTube. You can even roast your boss or another key leader in your industry. Here's an example. Let's say you're a realtor and you want to make a spoof of Under the Bridge by Red Hot Chili Peppers. I don't ever want to feel like I can't get alone.
Take me to the place I love.
Help me to buy a home. If you're in financial services, you could do a parody to the Sweater Song by Weezer. If you want to invest much better on your portfolio, buy my course and invest away. These are actually pretty good ideas.
Bless you.
Who are you?
They're on me.
Dang it, Grandpa! Ah!
I can't get up.
Dang it, Grandpa! Hello?
Turn around. Down here. I can't get up.
Dang it, Grandpa!
My popsicle's melting.
Dang it, Grandpa!
I can't get down.
Juan, this is Aaron. No, don't do that.
It's cool.
What?
Jess, did you know that Jesus died for you?
Are you serious?
Yes.
No manches, my cousin Jesus is dead.
Hey, seatbelt.
It's not me, it's Juan.
Juan?
I don't know who you are.
It's Juan.
I will find you.
It's not Juan. They call me Juan. They call me Jose. They call me Carlos Sanchez Cruz Rodriguez Martinez Lopez.
Tip number 4, recurring characters, taglines, or catchphrases. These are great ways to engage your audience in an inside joke, something that your audience finds particularly fun or funny because they know who you are and they're a part of your tribe. Not only will adding a recurring character, catchphrase, or tagline make your video more memorable and engaging, but it also makes your content branded and recognizable. I mean, think about it. All the great commercial media of our time had recurring characters and catchphrases. Think Mikey Likes It from Life Cereal. American Express, Don't Leave Home Without It. I love what you do for me, right? Toyota. So think of a fun or a cool way that you can welcome your audience, say goodbye to your audience, or recognize a cool thing that happens in your videos, like I often will do with the Air 5. And finally,
so we need to start making ruckus in the streets. We're not doing anything for our name to be known out there.
Well, I just robbed that pink house over on 3rd Street.
But that's your house.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. It's your house. It doesn't count when you rob your own house.
Gun's on the table. Wait, so where's your gun?
Traded it.
For this?
And a chapstick.
It's not even real, man. Give me that. Ah, it's not cherry.
Oh, I'll take it.
Here you go. Yeah. Anyways, we're gonna rob this bank tomorrow at 3 a.m. But I really think to be more efficient and to really execute this plan, we need to stay the night at someone's house tonight.
I could ask my mom if we could stay at our house.
Oh, that'd be so cool.
We got bagel bites and bugles.
Wait, do you mean like a slumber party?
What's up, homies? You know how I love Christmas. You looking good, Felipe?
Ho, 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 fool.
That's what's up. That's festive of him. So we did this white elephant gift exchange, and I hope you all stuck to the limit. I said $15 limit. I know you, Snowflake, you like to go a little overboard sometimes.
Tip number 5 is juxtaposition. In his series called Misfit Thugs, David Lopez puts gang members in situations where we would normally see a happy middle-class family. One gang member lives in a pink house and steals his own shoes. The other dresses like Santa Claus for a white elephant gift exchange, and the rest are happily waiting for a slumber party. This juxtaposition, or seeing two contrasting elements placed next to each other, helps to create a comedic environment. It lets the viewer have fun with your content. So if you're in a corporate environment, consider doing one of your videos in a Hawaiian shirt. If you're a surf coach, consider doing a surfing video in a shirt and tie. Just remember that the juxtaposition needs to make sense in light of the video. Don't be weird just for weird's sake. Truer words have never been spoken. So what are your thoughts for being funny in your videos? Share your thoughts with the mastermind community in the comment section below. And don't forget to read some of the comments as well. You might pick up a few hot tips. I said tips. If you liked this video, click the share button right now and help spread the word. Don't just laugh, learn, and love and not tell anybody. That's selfish. Hey, I've got tons more content on the channel that will help you to make better videos. So stay a while, geek out on some of our videos. I mean, what else are you gonna do? Go back to work? That sounds awful. I mean, you can't just go watching an SEO tutorial after watching something like this. You gotta live a little bit. Have some fun. Watch a few more videos and I'll see you in the next one.